name is Miss Hall and I go to Iowa State. I'm practicing to be a teacher just like yours, and I'm really excited to be here with you all today. Today we will be learning how to add fractions. And who here likes pizza? Ooh, me too. I'm going to show you how to add fractions using slices of pizza. As you can see here, this is a fraction. So, for example, this is 1/2 or 1/2. And these are definitions of a fraction. So a fraction is a part of a whole. So you know that the numerator is a piece of the denominator. So the numerator is the top number, the denominator is the bottom number. So the numerator is the part and the denominator is the whole. So we have one piece of two pieces. So we have 1/2 of the whole. Is everyone familiar with what addition is? So you're adding two things together, or two pieces together. Yeah, so fraction addition is adding two pieces of a whole together. And so for example, there's 2/8 of a pizza here, or 2 out of 8 slices. So the whole is 8 total slices, and we have 2 pieces of the whole. When adding fractions, it is similar to regular addition. You just add the numerators together as long as the denominators are the same. But sometimes we know that the denominators aren't the same, so it gets a little bit tricky from there. The only way to add fractions with unlike denominators is to find a same denominator. So we can manipulate this fraction, 1/2, and we can change it to different numbers as long as they're equal, so that you can add them to a different number. So here we have 1/2 a pizza and 1/4 of a pizza. Our question is, how much of a pizza is there total? Okay, so since we see 1/2 of a pizza and 1/4 of a pizza here, we can also see that this is 2/8 and this is 4/8. So if we move this over here, now we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eighths. So 6/8 can also be, so if this is 1/4, it's going to be 2/4, it's going to be 3/4. So it can also be seen as 3/4. And then, actually, oops, I'm going to put this one down here. And then write like 3/4, same as 6/8. Okay, I'm going to hand out 2 mini pizzas for every student. One of the pizzas, this one has 8 slices, and don't pay attention to the pepperonis, they don't really matter. So here's one with 8 slices. And I'm also going to hand out a pizza with 6 slices. So here's one with 6 slices. And feel free to unclip them, and you can make them into full pizzas if you'd like. So for the pizza with 8 slices, you can see that each slice is 1/8 of the whole pizza. Because 8/8 makes 1. So, or 1 of the 8ths makes a 1/8. Okay, so if you do 2 1/8s together, so take away, or set aside 2 1/8s and put them next to each other. So, if you look, that is also the same as 1/4 of the pizza. So you can see that 2/8 is equal to 1/4 of the pizza. And if you take away 2 more and add it to it, what is that? Does anyone tell me?
Half.
Half of the pizza, or 4/8. Okay. So here's a worksheet for you guys all to have. Okay, so we're going to go over it together. So, the first one we see is 1/2 plus 1/4. And feel free to color in the pieces as we're going along so that you understand. So with this first circle, we see that there's 1/2, we'll fill in 1/2. And then for this one, we'll fill in 1/4 of the pizza, or of the circle. And so now, like we saw earlier, we're going to add these together. So you can move this piece up to here, and once you fill this in, now you have 3/4. So the answer to this is 1/2 plus 1/4 is equal to 3/4. Another thing that we can see here is that you can make the 1/2 into something with a 4 denominator. So if we have 1/2, how many fourths are there in this half? Anyone tell me or see? If we divide it down the middle? 2. Good job. So we can see that even we can cancel out the 1/2 and write 2/4 instead. And we see there's 2/4. Now we just add the numerators like I said earlier. The 2 plus 1 is 3/4. We have a total of 3/4 on that one. And then I'll do the same thing for the other two. And then, okay. Well, now I've posed a question. I'm going to have it on the board for it probably. I'm going to say, can you show me with your mini pizzas on your desk how to add 1/8 and 1/4 of the pizza together? So yeah, then I'll do 2 slices and then add a slice probably, hopefully. And then show me that there's 3/8 of the pizza there. Okay, next I'll hand out more mini pizzas with 6 slices, and I'll ask the students to show me 1/2 plus 1/3. So they'll undo the 3 ones, do 1/2, and then 1/3, and show me that there's 5/6. And then it says, thank you. Okay, do I do the plan closing after the assessment or what?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so here's a quiz for you all, so I can see what you guys have learned today. Take your time and use your mini pizzas and any pictures you'd like to help you. Good luck. And then I give them these problems. And they draw out, do whatever they want. They can use their mini pizzas because they're all related to, I'm just kidding, there's a 1/5 and stuff, so yeah.
Cool. Good job.
Do you think